So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me regarding the actual lights of or the actual sensors, you would like to call it, of the actual Apple Watch. So all these sensors that you see here, they're just the way that the Apple Watch actually measures everything that you need to know on your actual system. So when you're measuring heart rate, when it's measuring your sleep actual depth and so on, the saturation of your blood, everything that it measures through these sensors. That's why it's very, very important that you do not scrape it, that you always take care of it, that you make sure that it's clean, because that's the way the Apple Watch gets the measurements. Of course, it's also via the information the iPhone actually provides it, but in general, that's the way you can actually get all the data that the current Apple Watches have, okay? So as always, I just want to do videos of things you ask me, and since you asked me why is this actual sensor always green or red, depending on the Apple Watch and depending on the sensor, I just wanted to tell you, okay? So as always, if you've got any questions, just let me know in the comments, and as always, thank you very much for watching.